Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how you can easily log in and access your Alcova Mortgage account online. First of all, launch open any web browser on your computer, mobile devices or tablets, and in the URL box type in alcovamortgage.yourmortgageonline.com and search. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in this official website for Alcova Mortgage, where you need to go to the right hand corner and enter your username and password. Type in your username and password that is associated with the account. If you don't remember your username or password, you can get help by clicking the Forgot Username or Forgot Password link respectively and follow through the instructions. After having your credentials correct and typed down, click Login and then follow through the instructions and you'll be able to log in to your Alcova Mortgage account. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.